Yeah. So now what we're seeing is a whole market pulling. And this is why. So let me show you guys on SMCI. So it came up, pulled back 50%, came up, pulled back 20%. Now we're
15.
does this make sense, everybody? Why we do what we do? We don't have to be greedy and like, I'm gonna ride it to the moon. No, take the money as it's going up. Collect, collect, collect. It will ease your mind. It will lock in profits and put it directly back into your accounts. You don't have to worry as much. You can always add more later instead of giving it back, right? The concept is taking the money. We don't take all the money. Otherwise, we'd be using a take profit. And by the way, this is what separates us too from everybody else you've ever seen. They always take all the profit and they run out like, oh, I made $200. And I was like, yay. And our people are like, we made 20,000, dude. We're still going. It's still going up. It went up another hour since you got all the way out, right? This is the reason though, $100 million in profits is because of exactly what I'm talking about. Allow the runners to run. Get out of losing trades and let the runners run.
Can you explain just quickly why that was a 6-star trade from the time you called it out? I don't know if you remember what time it was.
Yep, it was just before it broke this double top. It was real close. So around 734-ish. So it was above the 200. It was above VWAP. It was in an uptrend. The 2155 were crossed over and it broke the pre-market high.
Perfect. That's all I needed. Thank you very much.
Yep. It doesn't.
Tesla new high, still ripping.
It doesn't get any better than that, partner. That's the stuff. That's the stuff that dreams are made of, right?
Yep. I did well.
Yep. Good
I
job.
was just curious so I could learn from
Yep.
how you determine.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
you don't call them out that often.
Never. Never. Yeah, never, ever. Because anytime I say that, it puts my name on the line, right? So I have to be very cautious. That's why I loved the setup yesterday on MSTR. You won't hear me put my name on the line very often unless I really like the trade. We've done it before with Tesla on 10% day. You guys have seen it, but you don't hear me say 6-star trade very often. Now, there are a lot of them that get set up that way, but that doesn't mean I necessarily love it. You don't hear it come out of my mouth. Mara, by the way, new high a day. I told you crypto was cranking to the moon. Congratulations. Riot, 7%, new high a day.
Crank on your high.
Thank you. Space. If you guys heard me call Space, now for the 35th time today, it just hit 35% to the upside before this little pullback. Congratulations.
Coach, in 8 months, that's probably the third time I've heard you say 6-star trade.
Yep.
Probably the third in 8 months.
Yep. Yeah. And it's in a year and 8 months, I've maybe said it 3 or 4 maximum times. So let's look at SMCI on the 2-minute right here. Well, what do you know? Isn't that exact? Whoops, damn thing just moved. Hold on. Isn't that exact? Damn it. Hold on. Right here.
Yep.
Right here. And isn't that exactly where we were calling it anyways?
Coach, show it on the VIP trading view indicator.
Oh, right. Yeah. So, but you guys see it off of Webull right here first, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, it was textbook nailed. Yeah. Let me pull up. Give me 1 second. Flip the screen. Here we go. It should be right here. Yeah. If you guys look at this right here, look at it, even flagged it right when I was saying it right here. See it? So here was your support. Here it was all the way up. Notice where we're at. This is resistance. See this level right here, VIP members. And now we're getting ready to make new high a day if this gets volume again, right? So let's review exactly what I said over here with SMCI, because you're going to make new high a day here in a second. Right here, drove up, pulled back 50%. Drove up, pulled back 20%. Now look at where we're at. This is 70% of the trade has already been done. You have 30% of the trade left to run. Makes sense, everybody? And there's no other way you trade this, yes?